my review. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a milk coloring experiment. So with
Is this a science experiment?
yes.
Okay, let's see.
This soap. You need this soap, milk, food coloring, and spoon. Here's why you need spoon. I'll tell you later.
Okay, how to do it? What is the step 1, Yakti?
Step 1, put milk.
Okay,
A little small milk.
put everything. All. Yeah, that's it.
That's enough milk.
Now,
Now you need some food coloring. Let's take blue.
couple of drops. That's it. Easy,
That's
slow.
Okay, good. Now let's take some red food coloring. Good, much as you like.
Okay, yeah.
Good.
And
And finally, yellow.
yellow.
Yellow this up too.
That's it.
Lastly, spread the yellow.
That's it.
Spreads.
Now,
Now,
a little soap.
a little bit of this soap.
Yeah, that's it. Put the soap.
Oh, wow! And for the spoon, mix it.
Slow mix.
Mix it slowly.
Yeah, and wait.
Mix all the
Let it be. Yeah.
I think you add more the soap than the particle will rest of it.
That's it.
Let's put some of the soap there. Okay, now let's mix the soap again. But this time do it fast. So this will mix it with the other color and then it becomes a beautiful milk.
Okay, so this is how you can.
You can build your milk experiment at home. You can try this at home with your family.
Bye.
Because it's a good experiment for kids.
Say bye.
Bye everyone. See you on next videos for science experiments. Bye.